This free card will make Mom smile. Grab it at MsCottons Corner on TPT today or watch and learn how to make it yourself. Grab this low prep option for free at MsCottons Corner or use your die cut to make tracers for your kiddos. Begin by cutting a 12 by 18 piece of paper in half the long way. For my kinders, I do all the folding in advance. Older students can do this part themselves. Be sure to tuck each section in correctly. Glue a 1-inch green strip down the middle for the stem and add the pot and the flower. Add the leaves, making sure to keep each leaf between the folds. Put the leaf with the exclamation mark near the flower. Be sure to fold correctly. Decorate and you're done!